Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you the first details of the Kia Sportage with the GT line, and today we have the European model in our video. European model is a bit shorter to the global model, and let's start with the front end with the design. Now the Sportage has the all new design. It is very brave, very unique. I am a big fan of it because it just looks, out of this world. Look at the front lights. We have the Matrix LEDs. We have a massive front grille. This is the GT line version. Let's change the view back to the standard one. So yeah, nice Matrix LEDs. We have the new logo that suits the car very well. This is in brushed aluminum. I don't know if camera is catching it, but overall gorgeous design, and I am a really big fan of this new look from Kia models. The interior has also been improved. I will show you that in a moment, but for now let's check out the side profile of this car. So the wheels that we have here, we have the Michelin Primacy 4 tires, and we have the 19-inch wheels, dual tone, nice new logo from Kia here in the middle, and yeah, 235/50 R19 is the dimension. Wheel arches are in gloss finish, and we have the dual tone as well. Let's change the view once again. Now you see it. So a bit shorter compared to the global version, of course, to meet with the European needs. And let's take a sneak preview of the interior here. I will do a walk around and the detailed look later on. But yeah, of course. So yeah, very funky design of the air vents, and digitalization is really, on a new level compared to the older model. At the back we have a very slim LED lights, and they are connected with this gloss black panel here to make the car appear even wider. The model in our video is a plug-in hybrid. I will go through the specs in a moment. Tell me in the comments what are your thoughts on this. I really believe that they will have good results because definitely something that compared to the older model is completely new. And let's open the trunk. We have the electric tailgate, this gloss black finish, camera at the back as well. Additional room here. 12-volt power outlet on our left, and you can fold the seats. You just do this and the seats fold. And here as well, hooks for your shopping bags. And of course, if you don't want people to see what you have in the trunk, you just do this. So all nice and easy to use. In order to close the trunk, you just need to press this and it closes. Look at the aggressive design of the bumper. So this was obviously fake diffuser, but looks pretty nice. And yeah, once again from this angle, dual tone, we have the big roof spoiler actually. And now it is time to explore the interior. And one cool hidden feature, here you will find the rear wiper. So it's hidden just like on the Hyundai Tucson. And it's a nice feature because otherwise you would have it here. It would not look that good, but like this we have a clean design. And let us now explore the interior. So here we have lovely Alcantara and funky design of the door handle. These are the new seats, so you have the Alcantara and these are the GT line seats. And now let's take a closer look and see how it looks from driver's perspective. And this is the view from driver's perspective. So in front of us there is a new Kia logo and the new steering wheel, GT line, flat bottom. This is the 12.3-inch digital cockpit and 12.3-inch touchscreen with the infotainment system. It's the new infotainment system. We have a 3D shape of the buildings on the navigation screen. I do love this touch sensitive panel. It's actually pretty easy to use it. And the AC on or off, adjust the air blower here, and temperature on those knobs. Hazard lights, nice clicking sound. Moving on, here you have the 12-volt power outlet, USB port. This is the wireless charger for the phone. Start engine. Gear lever, it's a very interesting one, so it's very easy to use it actually. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, cooling of the seats as well on this particular model. Have the cup holders, we have some wipes here for disinfection. This is the switch for the driving mode, and you see that we changed the views on the digital cockpit when you change the driving mode. You also have the snow, mud and sand, so all of them are available. And yeah, you have the EV mode here. The view on the camera is here, and yeah, the auto hold, some additional storage room, as well as here middle armrest, same pattern as the seats. This is the glove box, and you know, you can also do this. So look at this, this is very cool. We have the animation of the car, same spec actually, and you can check surroundings, and that's really cool. Moving on, so in order to go back, you go to the home menu. This is very similar also to the new Hyundai infotainment, of course. So this is decent, pretty responsive, and nice 3D shape of the buildings. Back to the home menu, radio, have the list of stations in here, and you also have a bunch of settings available here for the vehicle. This car is packed with safety systems, driving convenience, forward safety, driver attention warning, speed limit, blind spot safety and parking safety, all is here. And cluster, you can select the theme of the cluster. On this one you can link it to the driving mode, or look at this, this is very cool dynamic view, classic C, classic B, or classic A. I'll put the dynamic, looks pretty nice. And that's pretty much it. I can't go into the details, but yeah, tell me in the comments how do you like it. Let me change the view for you to this one. And yeah, overall I am a fan of this new interior. It is very much improved compared to the previous one. And when you sit here, you see a lot of cool elements. First of all, some storage room. Look at this convenient hook for your shopping bag. The air vents, you can adjust them by pressing this, adjust the temperature. You can also adjust the passenger seat from here, and there are USB ports at the back of the seat. How cool is that? In the middle we have the armrest in leather with cup holders which aren't adjustable. And now I will also show you the situation for my head. So this is the situation. I still have plenty of room, and cool thing is that you can also lean this rear bench. So look at this. If I lean back, I have even more room, and we also have the sunroof on this car. So if you don't go for the sunroof, I think you would have even more room. And I'm 1.87 m, and I have no problems whatsoever. And I have no problems here with space whatsoever. So look at this. Really comfortable, and yeah, thumb up. And this is how it looks under the bonnet. So this is a plug-in hybrid, a combination of petrol engine and electric motor with total output of 265 horsepower. Have in mind that there are a lot of options available with this new Sportage. So you will have the hybrid, plug-in hybrid, mild hybrid, but also a diesel. So tell me in the comments what would be your choice. Tell me in the comments what do you guys think. Subscribe to the channel, as there will be many videos to come from the Munich car show. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. Bye bye.